Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we have another very interesting system of equations from Ecuador Math Olympiad. Here we have to find ax power 5 plus by power 5. Let's say required expression is E. And let us say this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and equation number 4. Now we will multiply our second equation by x plus y. And let us assume our substitution is xy equal to m and x plus y equal to n. Now we are going to multiply equation number 2 with x plus y. So I can write here ax square plus by square times x plus y in the LHS equal to 7 times x plus y. Let's expand LHS. Multiply both the brackets. We'll get ax cube plus by cube plus ax square y plus bxy square. So we'll take xy common. In the bracket we can write ax plus by equal to 7 times x plus y. Now x plus y is n, xy is m, ax plus by as per equation 1. This is 3 and ax cube plus by cube as per equation 3. This is 16. We will write 16 plus 3 times m equal to 7 times n. Let's say this is equation number 5. Now we are going to multiply third equation with x plus y. So I will write ax cube plus by cube times x plus y equal to 16 times x plus y. This is equation number 3 multiplied with x plus y. Again we will multiply. We will get ax power 4 plus by power 4. Now cross product terms. Ax cube y. From there also we'll take xy common. So in the bracket we can write ax square plus by square equal to 16 times x plus y. Now x plus y was n. Here I will write m. Here I will write n. Ax square plus by square, equation number 2 value is 7. Ax power 4 plus by power 4, equation number 4 value is 42. We will get 42 plus 7m equal to 16n. And this would be equation number 6. Now I will write our fifth equation, 16 plus 3m equal to 7n. This is our equation number 5. Now by elimination method, I will cancel variable m. So I need to multiply first equation by 3, means equation number 6 we will multiply by 3 and equation number 5 I will multiply by 7. So let us multiply. We will get 3 times 42, 126, 3 times 7, 21m, 3 times 16, 48n. And here 7 times 16, 112 plus 21m equal to 7 times 7, 49n. Now we will subtract the second equation from the first one. 21m will get over. 126 minus 112 is 14. And in RHS we will get minus n. So the value of n which was x plus y. This is equal to negative 14. Now we will calculate the value of m. So I will use equation number 5. 16 plus 3m equal to 7n. This was equation number 5. Now n is minus 14. So we will get 16 plus 3m equal to 7 times minus 14, which is equal to minus 98. Here I will write 16 plus 3 times m. So 3m will be equal to minus 98 minus 16, which will be equal to minus 114. Now we will divide both sides by 3 and we will get m value minus 38. So m is minus 38, n is minus 14. Now we have to find our required expression, which is written here. So I will multiply fourth equation with x plus y. So let me write here. Equation number 4, ax power 4 plus by power 4 equal to 42. Multiply both sides by x plus y. So we will write equation 4 times x plus y, which will give us ax power 4 plus by power 4 times x plus y equal to 42 times x plus y. Let's multiply. I will get ax power 5, by power 4 times y, by power 5. Cross product terms, ax power 4 times y. From there we will take xy common. So in the bracket we can write ax cube plus bxy power 4. From there xy is common. We will get by cube equal to 42 times x plus y. Now this is our required expression E. And here we will apply the value of xy, which was m. Let me write here plus m times ax cube plus by cube, equation number 3, value was 16. Xy was m, x plus y is n. So I will write m times 16 equal to 42 times n. Or I can write E will be equal to 42n minus 16m. Let me write here 42n minus 16m. This is our required expression E, which is written here. Now the value of m was minus 38. Value of n was minus 14. So I can write here E will be equal to 42 times minus 14 minus 16 times minus 38. So 42 times minus 14, value will be equal to minus 588. Minus times minus becomes plus. 16 times 38 is 608. We are going to get our required expression value 20. So expression value will be equal to 20. So I can write here E equal to ax power 5 plus by power 5 equal to 20. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Take care. Bye bye.